Communication is changed forever. In the last 2 years, I've made a lot of pieces of content saying how to be confident in front of audience, in the room or on the stage. But that skill today is much less important than the skill of holding meetings in Zoom and Skype or webinars and be so good that the audience just listens to you and get mesmerized by you. And it's a long topic and I have to make a lot of videos in it, but here's one tip that will help you. Always position your camera in a way that your entire upper torso with your arms, shoulders, head is in front of a camera like this. Then take whatever your natural energy level is and shift it up by 300%, so 3 times more. Because with the camera, you have to be way more energetic to get your presence across, much more than in the actual room. And here's the difference that will happen. Most people, when they're talking in front of camera on Zoom, they are this close to the camera and that is their energy level. But I want you to be this far from the camera and this energy level and with entire body and speak in a way that you're speaking in with the actual person, with like entire body speaking, not just your lips. And that's it. You'll see that after the Zoom call, you'll be the only person who will be remembered. And it's worth having skill to develop now because this is how the future of communication is going to be.